letters distributed to tutors of newly provincialized schools in Karbi Anglong. Congress protests over fuel price hike at Haflong. Hello and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live. I'm Chili Hansepi, bringing you the latest news for today. And now the news in detail. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CM Tuluram Ronghang on Monday distributed appointment letters to tutors of 40 newly provincialized LP schools and ME schools in the district. This has brought huge relief to the schools which have been facing financial constraints for administration. The program was held at the meeting hall of the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council new Secretariat building. While addressing the gathering, the CM said that a total numbers of 29 ME and 11 LP schools have been provincialized on 22 February 2021. Accordingly, 71 tutors in ME schools and 17 tutors in LP schools have been appointed. More than 500 appointments will be made within the next 1 month in order to fill up all the vacant posts in the primary schools across the district. The Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council chief further informed that the provincialization rules being implemented in the BTR region is applicable in the 6 scheduled districts Karbi Anglong, West Karbi Anglong and Dima Hasao. He had shown his gladness that under this rule, more schools in the district will be eligible for provincialization.
Angse nilimen hantung nilimen something anse nili fulom bajong men hanse English at school pen nili tutor appointment ke longar nilo lahalo appointment ke yo kasi aprang si nili churong tung Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council ake hai Tuluram Ronghang pan alang ni pini ari dai besi nili appointment le talong nulla
কমিউনিটি দিয়া হল এটা ভোটিং কার্বি আংলং
আজি টোটাল 80 জন টিউটাৰৰ আজি এপইণ্টমেণ্ট দিয়া হৈছে টোটাল প্ৰভিঞ্চিয়েলাইজ স্কুল আছে 40টা স্কুলত প্ৰভিঞ্চিয়েলাইজ কৰা হৈছে পি আৰু এম মিলি তাৰপিছত 80 জন টিউটাৰ্ছ তেখেতসকল আজি এপইণ্টমেণ্ট দিয়া হৈছে কাৰ্বি আংলং অটোনমাছ কাউন্সিলৰ পৰা চেষ্টা কৰিছে আৰু যিবিলাকৰ নন স্ক'ৰ আণ্ডাৰ কোৱালিফাইড আৰু ডিছকোৱালিফাইড এই স্কুলবিলাকৰ আমি যিটো বিটিআৰৰ যিটো বড়োবিলাকৰ যিটো নেকি সেই প্ৰভিঞ্চিয়েলাইজৰ যিটো বনাই আছে 6 এৰিয়া একেই হ'ব এইটো আমাৰ মুখ্যমন্ত্ৰী কৈছে যে বিটিআৰ যিটো নেকি তেওঁলোকৰ যিটো মানে প্ৰভিঞ্চিয়েলাইজৰ যিটো নিয়ম বনাইছে ডিমা হাছাও আৰু কাৰ্বি আংলঙৰ একে মানে একেই মানে ৰুলছতে বনোৱা হ'ব আৰু যিবিলাকক কৰা নাই আমি অসম চৰকাৰৰ লগত যোগাযোগ কৰি আছোঁ যে যাতে গোটেইখিনি স্কুলবিলাকৰ যাতে প্ৰভিঞ্চিয়েলাইজ হয় তাৰ কাৰণে অসম চৰকাৰৰ লগত আলাপ আলোচনা চলি আছে এতিয়ালৈকে এনেধৰণৰ আমি যিবিলাকৰ কাৰ্বি আংলঙৰ LP স্কুল ME স্কুলৰ যিবিলাকৰ ভেকেঞ্চি আছে সেই ভেকেঞ্চিবিলাকৰ এই মাহৰ ভিতৰতে আমি প্ৰায় 500কৈ অধিক এপইণ্টমেণ্ট লেটাৰ এই মাহৰ ভিতৰতে আমি দিবৰ কাৰণে কাৰ্বি আংলং অটোনমাছ কাউন্সিলৰ পৰা আমি চেষ্টা কৰি আছোঁ।
MP Horen Singh Bey, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Deputy Speaker Ritesh Singhi, several EMs and MECs, Principal Secretary, Secretaries, officers and large number of tutors were present in the program. Roshan Hanses report from Deephu for Karbi Anglong Live. With petrol and diesel prices skyrocketing in many states, creating an uproar among the common public, the Dima Hasao District Congress Committee held its protest against the rising fuel price at Assam Oilfield Depot in Haflong. The protest was took part by large numbers of Congress members with a slogan criticizing the BJP party and urging the central government for immediate rollback of the fuel price. Speaking to media, DCC President Nirmal Langthasa said that during 2014 election campaign, Prime Minister Modi has assured the nation for decrease of fuel price and was voted to power, and contrary to its claim, petrol price have touched a record ₹100 per litre. Slamming the BJP, the DHDCC said that earlier when the price of crude oil prices per barrel was $120 in international market, Congress government has set retail price of petrol between ₹70 to $80. But now the international price have come down to $60, and yet the retail price have increased and touched the ₹100 mark. The party pointed out that common people are tremendously suffering and affecting daily lives of the common people.
दोस्तों, आज 22 फरवरी यहाँ हाफलोंग हम लोग इंडियन ऑयल जो पेट्रोल डिपो है उस पर एक धरना में बैठा है कि ये धरना कल से हम लोग सारा आसाम में ये कार्यक्रम हम लोग ऑर्गेनाइज की कि मोदी जी आज तो यहाँ पे आसाम की उनकी 3 या 4 दिन का दौरे में आए हैं कि वो अपनी बात तो कहेगा, अपने मन की बात तो हर प्रतीक में वो कहते रहते हैं, लेकिन आज के दिन में इस मन से हम ये उनकी जो जान की बात है उन आपकी मीडियम से जो अपने मीडिया जो उनके माध्यम से पहुंचाना चाहता हूं कि आज आपने जो 2014 में जो आपकी सरकार चुनने की आने की सबसे महत्वपूर्ण बात आप वही कहा कि अच्छे दिन लाओगे, जो पेट्रोल डीजल के ऊपर जो महंगाई के ऊपर बीजेपी सरकार लाओ और महंगाई ऊपर वार बोल के जो आश्वासन आपने दिया है, ठीक उसी माध्यम से लोग आपके विश्वास में आपको चुन के आए हैं। आज के दिन में जो पेट्रोल की रेट 100 की लगभग कई स्टेट में 100 के ऊपर भी हो गया है, तो आपको याद दिलाना चाहता है 2014 में जब इंटरनेशनल मार्केट में $120 होता था, कांग्रेस उस समय यूपीए सरकार के समय 80 रुपीज़ रिटेल मैक्सिमम उस तक 70 to 80 गया है। एक समय में गया 80, बट उनकी कुछ दिन ही बाद में कुछ हफ्ते बाद में 70 जैसा आ गया।
Suresh Burman report from Haflong for Karbi Anglong Live. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Yamlun Singh Teron on Sunday visited home constituency in Mahamaya to supervise the ongoing developmental works initiated under the MGNREGA schemes. The works, which is being carried out in areas under 31 polling station of the Mahamaya constituency, have been executed by the development block through job card holders. Yamlun Singh Teron was accompanied by BDO Biswajit Rongpi, GRS Mandal President Purno Ingti, VDC Chairman Rajesh Teron, VDC members and several staff and members of the block office and BJP party. While speaking to media, local MEC and Yamlun Singh Teron said that several developmental works and schemes which have been sanctioned for his home constituency would be executed properly so that it benefits both those who are engaged in the work and the people of the entire area. He also lauded Team Karbi Anglong led by CM Tuliram Ronghang for taking up numerous developmental works and schemes and for maintaining uniformity in the sanctioning of these centrally sponsored schemes among all constituencies of the hill districts. He also urged upon the block for its proper execution in the greater interest of entire people of the constituency. In addition to this, Yamlun Singh Teron also urged upon the people of the constituency for their support and participation to give a warm and glittering welcome to Union Home Minister Amit Shah, who is proposed to address a huge gathering at Nura Kathoy in Denarong on February 25 this Thursday.
Energy tourism EM Teron sir lapente dak ilitum Haraghat block a video Rongpi sar labente pini lada kadu kabe lasi lalo je ili tum job card ke lapuson se kisuman tum ke lapuson ho je pini claim lo pinap long lok nangji lasobang lasoni kali ili tum aso ucipan ningking chet nangji lasi ili tum video sar dolo lada lapen o engineer sar dolo lasi laso apimen ajhan atum ke lapuson ho non kam claim lo nini thoma philo pulong te ala cluster chairman local committee tum phanti pasik sako nitum ka kam claim edlo tami poisa non anta nongle laso bangsi pinang anamuni tum bangke matha damdong titik titami job card kam ke lapuloje nangli tum arni sialong anam bangke kilong jike pharo hinila krege thoma tangkalong je arni silong laso tangka kilong ke nangli tum kam claim edapi ladang nili tum kacir abdo VDC hinpen cluster committee local committee do alang li tum si nang li tum phan koson si kangkalong ima isi form do nang timan dipo nili tum video sar office long nang kon pidam po dulu kasi dakan ta pini nang lelo la penon pidam kita dula kasi nang li tum phaning thelo nang li tum aswa scheme bang kite kami claim kami non
একেবারে লাপুনাং জুইতুন চট লাসো বাঙে লেম তেদরে নাং এই tangka ke sorkara hit beta ili tuma tangka bidong lo ili tum bot pijupi ili tum na sa muilo pini sorkar nang gopen pini ke glam lo ke la ili tum bot ki pi ale kasi ili tuma tangka ili tum pini che long thap ko elong ri long si ili tuma ka pa che glam long thap lo ta banang le tum multi pa menoi chuning ri long tum tangka kasi mo tangka mahalam bang galang di GDC ke nang than lo men long pite kasi video ta nang le tuma tangka bang ke belo
Sini lo je job card bang ke long pon unit tum bom pick wonta non no bom ingni bom a sarkar BJP sarkar bang ingni der pi ili tum ala staff tum ta bor idun chotlo alang li tum ta nang rap tum lo na cherap che tudun pen aprang ke haroghat angkang 1 crore 7 lakhs pen fan ke do job card fan ta non pu piningkan 2021 aningkan ke 17 crores 46 anlo 17 crores 46 lakhs pen mahamaya VDC aphan loksi 3 crores 5 lakhs 50,000 anlo piningkan anchot nasi anso se fransi ke ongpon bulang na pen nili in bank ki pudami bank ke nangli tum jong si job card ke longpon pe dolang kulote VDC chairman ta alang ni dulote ron sa ho doi klo nangli tum approach na boy job card fan se palungi fan body noy lapen nili tumahin pe se rapuni fan ke kaita ready lo
Samsung Inti report from Dongmuka for Karbenglong Live. Family members of Baburam Terang have urged upon a public and concerned authority in tracing him after he reportedly went missing from last Friday, February 19. The man, who is a resident of Long Terang village, Okeren, reportedly missing from Diphu, Birsing Terang village, Serlongjon in Diphu, where he had gone to stay for medical checkup. He has been unwell for quite a long time. According to the family members, Baburam had reached the home of Kandura Terang, where he had stayed for a night. He went missing from the following night after having dinner at 11:30 p.m. when he had gone out from the room for toilet. His phone reportedly rang once but remained switched off altogether. Meanwhile, his family members had also been looking for him to no avail, after which a missing case was registered with the Diphu police station. In addition to this, the family members have also announced a reward of Rs 30,000 towards anyone on returning him back to his family. Bikram Teron report from Denarong for Karbenglong Live. Well, those were the top stories for today. Thank you for watching Karbenglong Live.